Welcome to the PBM Insider. I'm Jim Lodge, an actual PBM insider. For decades, when Americans heard the word RICO in terms of legal language, they thought of mob bosses, organized crime, people like Al Capone. The Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act was designed to dismantle criminal enterprises that operated through so-called coordinated schemes. Now that same federal statute is being invoked in lawsuits against some of the largest pharmacy benefit managers in America. In multiple insulin pricing cases, plaintiffs allege that drug manufacturers such as Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, and Sanofi worked in coordination with the big three PBMs in a system that allegedly drove insulin list prices higher and higher and higher. The accusation: inflate the list price, secure the large rebate, lock in formulary placement, then do it again, inflate the list price some more, secure larger rebates, lock in formulary placement, and on it goes. According to these lawsuits, the higher the list price climbed, the more rebate dollars flowed through the system, and the people paying the price, those patients paying deductibles or coinsurance based on the list prices, they really felt the pain. There was also EpiPen litigation. In this case, PBMs were also named as participants in what plaintiffs described as pricing enterprise, maintaining high prices through rebate arrangements and formulary leverage. I guess if your kid's got a fatal peanut allergy in this country, that equals an empty wallet. And in additional class actions, PBMs have faced racketeering counts tied to allegations of deceptive business practices and misuse of proprietary data. Let's be clear, these are allegations. No criminal convictions have been handed down in these matters. But the fact that RICO, a law built to combat organized racketeering, is even being cited in connection with pharmacy pricing should make people stop and ask some really hard questions. Because when patients can't afford insulin, when life-saving medications skyrocket in price, and when lawsuits describe coordinated enterprises benefiting from inflated pricing structures, well, come on. It's important to note, the comparison to racketeering, it's not coming from commentators like me. It's coming from federal court filings, folks. And the scrutiny of PBMs, it's only going to continue to intensify. This is the PBM Insider, keeping you informed.